Shadow, you watching the birds? Shadow looking like, I don't know if I appreciate all of this. Shadow was a good boy. He didn't look like he wanted to move at them when they came out the cage. As you can see, Larry has a little ladder for him and everything, so they can get back in. One bird is stronger than the other. That's a green gourd flying around on the outside. Shadow just is like, wow. I'm still very he's very uninterested.
Trying to teach you.
Even though he's watching. Shadow don't care about that. Shadow cares about the pork and maxing and relaxing.
Come down to the floor now. I don't know what else to tell him. Like, seriously. You gotta come down and climb the ladder. Green gourd can fly from the floor up to up there. His wings, you gonna have his wings very soon.
His wings are stronger.
No, they overcut Bluey's wings. Green gourd is
Oh, there you go. He's at the top.
Like, oh, mullet heaven. You're like, man, all this mullet up here. Are you serious? And he feed us a little bit at a time?
Shadow's still just chilling. He watching him.